I'm delighted to be able to share with you a message received from our patron, Her Majesty the Queen, this morning on the occasion of the launch of the virtual Chelsea Flower Show. On the occasion of the opening of the virtual Chelsea Flower Show 2020, I send my best wishes to all those associated with the Royal Horticultural Society. My family and I have always enjoyed visiting the show, and I know that your members and supporters will be disappointed that they will be unable to attend in person this year. As patron of the Royal Horticultural Society, I was pleased to hear that you will be providing gardening advice and virtual sessions on your website from Monday the 18th to Saturday the 23rd of May. I'm sure that my grandmother, Queen Mary, who first attended the Chelsea Flower Show in 1916, would be delighted that many people today have an enthusiasm for horticulture and that gardening remains a popular pastime in the United Kingdom. As you adapt to the present circumstances, I hope you find this unique event enjoyable and interesting. Elizabeth R.